Alright guys, we're putting our manual locking hubs in from Warren. Pretty simple. Take it apart. Main thing is they say pull the spring, make sure it ain't overlapping anywhere. And then the grease that comes in it. You grease these two top teeth and the inside with your bottom piece. And then you're going to grease the external teeth on your outer ring. Now we'll take it over and put it into the hub. You slide the inner part in first, get to line up. If your splines don't line up, they say to turn the axle a little bit, which I think I'm going to have to on this one. There it went. We're good now. Now you take your spring, slide it in there. Now you take your outer part, and slide it in there. Take your bolt with anti-seize on it, which they supply that too. Alright guys, we got our locking hubs installed. If you enjoyed this, check out the rest of the S40 series that we got on our channel. Thanks for watching.